On the average, 5 times as many people read the headline as the body copy. When you've written your headline, you've spent 80 cents out of your dollar. So I think that is something really important to take on board and to just let sink in for a moment. 5 times as many people read the headline as the body copy. When we're writing, we all like to think that people are going to read what we write, but chances are, probability suggests they won't. So your headline should communicate clearly. It should grab people's attention. So the job of the headline is to get the body copy read. So it needs to be a balance between being noticed on a page but also being very readable. It should target a problem. So as we've already talked about, all selling really addresses a problem or a pain, and your headline, if it already gets to the point and targets that problem, then it's more likely to get read. In the same sense, it should already promise a benefit, because that then is kind of already offering the solution to a problem to an extent and makes people interested to read more. Don't sell the mattress, sell the good night's sleep or something. Watch your placement as well on a page. So you'll want to make sure that your image and your message are congruent and support each other. So like we spoke last week, image, headline, subheadline, body copy, and make sure it all reflects each other and not kind of having some elements on a page that are separating them off, but from the reading gravity would still suggest they belong together. Here's a clever one that I actually find works quite well. So this is Villa Maria, a New Zealand wine company. They said it had to be cork. We said screw it. So this is an example where clever kind of works, but I'm not sure, even that might be offensive to some people. So one of the most effective headlines is the big benefit headline. So that's, for instance, at Horizon Peak Consulting, we combine sales-focused copywriting with content creation to help IT software and tech companies turn content into revenue. So that right there is basically a long headline, but it says absolutely everything. It says who they are, what they do, who they do it for, and what the benefit of that is. Then there's how-to headlines. So these are really good for blog posts. The main reason people read blogs is to answer a problem that they're having, find a solution to a problem that they're having. The way that blogs work and the way that they work for your advertising and your marketing is that they are found on the internet when someone is looking for a problem that they're having. You might have experienced also when you get a pop-up on a website that says, sign up here for whatever, and then you can either say yes, sign up, or something like, no thank you, I don't want to grow my business. And hitting that button is painful. You know, it's psychological blackmail, but it works. Then we've got the big promise headline, like this one, How to Win Friends and Influence People, the only book you need to lead you to success. Now this book is one of the best-selling books of all times. It was published in 1936 and it has sold over 15 million copies. It's making a huge promise. It's making a promise that gets right down to the core human desires, that of being liked, that of having money, power, influence, all these things. And this book basically makes you that promise in 6 words. Look at that and turn every word or every statement you're making into a benefit, then you're probably on the right track to really getting a powerful headline.